Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Sabra Hussein. I am a former student at Eloni Secondary School, which is found in Babati, Manyara region. Today we are going to look about the impact of viscosity on magnetic attraction. So, welcome. Do you know what viscosity is? Well, viscosity, this is the measure of fluid to resist the flow. The more viscous or thick a fluid, the more it resists the flow. Magnetic attraction, on the other hand, this is the force of attraction between magnetic material. The strength of magnetic attraction depends on many factors, including the strength of magnetic field. Now let's consider the scenario that we have a ball bearing submerged in different fluid of different viscosity, such as water, natural honey, and cooking oil. So in today's activity, we are going to use cooking oil, cold water, 3 beakers, natural honey, ball bearing, and a magnet. So let's go together and see how fluid dynamics affects magnetic material. So let's go to put cooking oil in one of the beaker. In the other beaker, we are going to put natural honey. First of all, let's immerse our ball bearing in different kind of fluid which we have and observe how magnets attract our ball bearing in different fluid of different viscosity. So now let's put our magnet to different kind of fluid and see what happens. Have you seen this? So now let's put our magnet to the cooking oil and see what happens. Have you seen this? And now again, let's put our magnet to the natural honey and see what happens. Have you seen this? As you have seen this, when we place ball bearing in water or cooking oil, the ball bearings are more easily attracted to a magnet. However, when we place ball bearing in honey, we notice that the magnetic attraction is significantly reduced. This is because honey has higher viscosity or is thicker than water. The resistance of the honey gives to the movement of ball bearing affects the magnetic field lines and the magnetic attraction between the ball bearing and the magnets as we increase the viscosity of the fluid. We notice that the magnetic attraction decreases further. This is because honey has higher viscosity than water or oil, and strength of the magnetic attraction is reduced. In conclusion, in this video, we have explored the effect of viscosity on magnetic attraction. We have learned that the more thick the fluid, the more it resists the flow and affects magnetic attraction. Understanding the relationship between viscosity and magnetic attraction is helpful in many fields such as medical, in energy, magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, uses a strong magnetic field lines to create detailed image of inside our bodies. The viscosity of the fluid in our body affects the behavior of these magnetic field lines and the resulting image. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you have enjoyed our video and you have liked too. In case you have any comments, advice, and idea, please leave in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. Thanks, and goodbye.
Mbona umenuna?